raised up, it's the fan. Life stops and starts, can be like a traffic jam. If it wasn't for the crew, I wouldn't be who I am. Struggles persist, thank God I ain't locked in the can or popping them Zan. I've been off to the enemy's hand. I've been overcoming obstacles, man. One step at a time, keep grip of divine. If you seek, you should find life and truth to get you out of the bind.
I represent the maker of matter and time. Both about the purpose of word preached in urban attire. Got that Jeremiah vibe in a deep way. Feel it in my bones like the bass on a beat. Fate is nothing but the evidence of things that science can't prove. The precision and vision, revving and repping the crew. No matter the weather, better get ready. We never give anything less than the best and repping the seventh element truth.
Yeah, through this mythic realization station, 'twas one, now I see the Lord chose to save a wretch just like me. Bust the mind open, the canopy. Satans who are damaging, check this flex, no egocentrics. I'm so imperfect, the word is perfect. No Jedi mind tricks through your daily mix. Complexities, breathing Holy Trinity.